Well, hello, good morning, and welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a little bit of a quicker off the cuff. I'm not going to set up all the cameras, have all the backdrops, etc. This is just going to be a really quick review of our recent time at Hola Tacos on the MSC World America. Let's dive right in. So the series on the channel right now is our time on the MSC World America, which was an absolute blast. I'm working on the full review right now, and it is going to be a super deep dive, so stay tuned for that. But in the interim, I just wanted to kind of finish up the specialty dining reviews for the specialty dining that we had on board, which we did Paxos, we did teppanyaki, and here we did Hola Tacos. Now, we did Hola Tacos on the final sea day for lunch. Now the price for Hola Tacos is the same throughout the entire cruise. You can get it at a discounted rate before the sailing, but lunch and dinner, either or, it's the same price. You can either do a la carte, so you pay for each item you get individually, or you could do a $24.99 all you could eat per person. Now, it was just me and Madison. Madison is not going to eat $25 worth of food, so we decided to do the a la carte options. Now they give you chips and salsa to the table, but I also ordered the Queso Fondito, which is kind of your melted cheese. It was okay, the flavor was really good, but the cheese was almost hard. You know when you take a chip and you dip it, and the dip has been sitting for a little too long, or the dip is too hard and it immediately breaks? That's how this Queso Fondito was. So really it was less of a dip and more of like a pinch a piece of cheese while holding on to a chip and pull it off and then eat it. Flavor was good. It's just the like melty cheese dip, like a queso that you would get anywhere. That was not the case here. But the flavor was good. Then I did get Madison a cheese quesadilla, which she really enjoyed, and I had a chicken quesadilla, which was very, very good. So Madison and I did get a couple of tacos as well. She got the ancho tingo, which was like a chicken. I got the chipotle carnitas, the barbacoa, the carne asada, and the pescado, which is like a fish. They were good. They were pretty base tacos, kind of like what you would make at a taco bar on a Carnival ship. They were good, but nothing to write home about at all. Thankfully, they were cheap. But what really shined was the desserts. So the dulce de leche was really, really good, and they had this like flan cake. It was this impossible cake, I think is what they called it, and it was really, really good. So, you know, if you really wanted to, you could just go in there for dessert. I really enjoyed those desserts. We've had the tres leches before as well, so there's a lot of good desserts in there. And again, you don't have to go for the whole meal. You can just go for the desserts and grab one or two of those. But overall, it was kind of a mid experience. It was probably one of the lowest in our specialty dining on the World America. We had done Hola Tacos on the Seashore on Embarkation Day, which was a really good kind of like hack. If you plan on doing it, if you go on Embarkation Day, nobody was there. Everybody was up, you know, doing the buffet and stuff, and we went to Hola Tacos, and it was really, really good then. We did the all-you-could-eat at that time, and it was worth it. But doing the a la carte option was much cheaper for us because Madison really only had her cheese quesadilla and like half of that chicken taco, and it was a little spicy for her, so I ended up eating the other half. But like I said, the desserts were really good. It's centrally located right in the middle of the World Promenade, so really easy to find along the other specialty dining right there. So really, really great location, and a very casual vibe, so you don't feel like you have to dress up or anything like that. And like I said, we went for lunch, so it was super casual then. But that's all I got for you. Stay tuned for the MSC World America review coming soon. That's going to be a huge video. And then finally, Royal Caribbean. We went on the Star of the Seas. That's going to be a huge series for the channel, so I cannot wait. Make sure you are subscribed. Go ahead and like this video and share it with your friends if you guys are going on any of the MSC ships. The Hola Tacos is located on a bunch of their ships. So, I'm Rob from Here Today, Where Tomorrow, and we will see you there. If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. I post new cruising videos every week.